Tonight, Governor Reynolds signed her first bill into law for this legislative session. As a result, Iowa became the first U.S. state to remove gender identity protections from its Civil Rights Act. Larissa Leone joins us with the reaction from the community. Larissa.
Stephanie, the law drew major protests from Iowans in the Capitol Rotunda this week. Opponents argued the law will allow for discrimination against all Iowans, specifically those that identify as transgender. Supporters, however, say it's about protecting women and girls. Governor Kim Reynolds put pen to paper on a new law that will remove gender identity protections from the state's Civil Rights Act.
What this bill does accomplish is to strengthen protections for women and girls, and I believe that it is the right thing to do.
Reynolds understands the law is controversial.
I know this is a sensitive issue for some, many of whom have heard misinformation about what this bill does. The truth is that it simply brings Iowa in line with the federal Civil Rights Code, as well as most states.
In a Facebook post, over 20 local businesses shared their opposition to the move. Included on the list is Meredith Wells, owner of Momer. She was also present for the protest earlier this week.
Even when we came back to the store, we were watching it on social media, and though we were devastated by the result of the vote, we knew that the fight wasn't over and that there are still things that we can do to help support our community.
Nonprofit advocacy group Protect My Innocence shared a post on Facebook thanking those who have supported Senate File 418, saying in part, quote, "The thousands of signatures we received on our petition to remove gender identity helped pass this legislation." Val Vayak, owner of Bangs in the Valley Junction, says her business is a sanctuary to all affected by the now law.
I wanted to make sure everyone knows you're loved here, you're accepted here, we want you to stay here. We want you here as a moral issue and then also economically as an issue.
As for what's next, this law will go into effect on July 1st.